In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt charts and timeline view in Asana. If you're someone who relies on project management tools to keep track of multiple tasks and deadlines, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Asana is a very popular platform for organizing work, and its Gantt chart and timeline view features are particularly useful for visualizing project timelines and dependencies. Let's begin by accessing the project in Asana you want to transform into a Gantt chart. First, open Asana in your web browser and navigate to the project you want to work on. You'll see a list of tasks there. Before we move on, make sure that you have your tasks sorted out with any relevant details filled in, such as due dates, assigned team members, and dependencies. Now, look at the top menu where you'll see a Timeline button. This button is your gateway to visualizing your project as a Gantt chart. Click on it and you'll be taken to the timeline view. As you can see, your tasks are now displayed across a timeline that shows when each activity begins and ends. If some of your tasks appear off the chart, make sure their due dates are properly set. In the timeline view, you can easily adjust task durations by grabbing the ends of the bars representing each task and dragging them to increase or decrease the time allotted. This makes it simple to adjust your timeline as things change during your project. If you need to reschedule a task, just click and drag the entire taskbar along the timeline to a new position. Another key feature to explore here is task dependencies. This is crucial if your project involves tasks that cannot start until another is completed. To create a dependency, hover your cursor over the end of a taskbar until you see a small dot, then click and drag to the beginning of the task it is dependent on. This will create a connection line, helping keep track of linked tasks. For projects with lots of tasks, you can use the zoom controls in the top right corner to adjust the timeline scale, making it easier to view either the big picture or focus in on the details. As we wrap up, remember that using Gantt charts and timeline view in Asana doesn't just help with scheduling, but also provides a clear overview of your project's progress and potential bottlenecks. Regularly updating your timeline to reflect completed tasks and any shifts in your project schedule will keep your team on the same page. That's all for today's video. Implementing Gantt charts and utilizing the timeline view in Asana can significantly improve your project tracking and management. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher.